Namaste. Let's check what are the pencils that are there in this glow in the dark. So what's written over here? It's written set of highlighter pencils, 6 pieces, and I'm trying to see, okay, made in the Czech Republic, and there's not much that I can make out because it's not in English, sorry. Okay, then let's examine the pencils themselves. There's a number 259. I think by now I'm guessing this is the pencil number or the color number rather. I don't know what this is. This is a barcode and the Kohinoor, and this is called a dry marker, and then there's something over here which I don't know. Okay, so I think this is the serial number of this pencil in this set, because I can see it's one. I don't know if you can make out here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yeah, so I believe these are, I personally feel these are not glow in the dark. Okay, I also don't think these are highlighter pencils. We can check it out. We will check it out. I think what they are is fluorescent pencils. But this is a guess from a complete novice who knows nothing about pencils. Okay. Anyways, since these are such bright colors, I decided first let us check them on black paper, and then we will check how they look on white paper. So let's check these out individually. I'll try to go in the series that they are. Well, this one is broken. Let's see if I can sharpen this with, yes. So though they are much thinner, yeah, but it didn't really come out in a nice point. Still has a broken edge, but I think for our testing purposes it should be fine. Okay, so let's see. I'm trying to see where I should put it on the page so that we can see it clearly. Okay. Is it really a glow in the dark? Can you see it? If it's dark, no, it's not, right? It's not a glow in the dark. Rubbish. Okay, so this is the pencil 1. This is 2. This is 3. Four. 5. Okay, this is 6. So these are the 6 colors which are there. They do leave a little bit of dust when you are coloring. As I said, they look fluorescent. I tried to see them in the dark, but Yeah, you can barely see them. I don't think these are glow in the dark as advertised. If you have to buy them, I will say buy them because they are fluorescent and very vibrant colors. Let's check if they can be used as highlights for that matter. Okay. Firstly, let's check how these look on white paper. Okay. So again, I will start with the one. This is one. Two. Three. 4. I'm repeating the numbers as if you cannot read. I'm sorry about that. My habit. 5. And yeah, I think, there's the 6th one. I was wondering where did it disappear. The darkest of them all. 6. So this is how the colors look on the white paper, and let me see if I can hold it side by side. Yeah, something like this. So if there's a shadow, see, you cannot even see the black ones. You really need full light. I think I can hold them like this. Yeah. So I'll make some more light. So these are how the colors look on black, and then this is how they look on the white ones. Now they have claimed that these are highlighting pencils. So let's do one thing. I will try to highlight this writing. Okay, I will, let's do a bit of a close-up, right? And let's try. So this is the number 1. Yes, for me this is like any fluorescent marker highlighter that you get. It's color correct if it's supposed to be the highlighter. Let's see by number 2. Yes, there. Number 3 was red if I'm not wrong. Yes. Number 4. 5 and 6. Beautiful. These are really good if you need them for highlighting and if you love pencils. For me, pencils is my most favorite medium. Markers is my medium of choice for convenience because you finish pictures faster with them, but my first love is pencils. I really love coloring with pencils. This is very good. What I will do is, let's see how this looks on a grayscale. So I have here the cute witches, And have I okay, so I have this one grayscale. I'm not going to color whole picture or anything, it's just that I want to see. Usually we tend to color grayscales with alcohol markers because of the convenience that it brings, but I want to see how these will look in case if we decide to use them on a grayscale, since they seem to be having a good highlighting quality to them. So I'll do this flower. I'll zoom in a bit so that we can see the progress. There. There's one color which I have not used. Let me see if I can use it for something. They don't lay well over one another. Okay, I'm literally struggling to lay this blue color over the others, but on its own on its own all the colors are fantastic. Let's see if I was to color the blue on its own. Yeah, there, it's fine. So that's how it's looking, and if I have to try and blend, yes, they do get mixed very well. There, you can actually see the blue color spreading, but the problem is it's not looking blue at all. It's looking more like a gray. Yeah, there. I think I actually spoiled the flower by putting the blue color there. I should have just left it alone. If I would have just colored it with one single color, it should have been enough. Let's see. Sorry, I'm not trying to keep within borders or anything because I'm not really coloring for the sake of coloring. I'm actually coloring it more to try the pencils. Um, yeah, so that's how the colors will look on grayscale, and I think these are good. If you like working with pencils, then these are good enough for grayscale, I think so. You can use them. Yeah, so that's it. Let me zoom out, and that's how it will look if you are not putting it under a magnifying glass. I think it looks quite pretty. Sorry, the camera is shaking. So these were the pencils, and this is how it looks if you try to color them, color a grayscale with them. And I'll see if I can find the page. Yes, this is how the colors look on a black paper, and this is how they look on white. And we also tried to use them as highlighter, and yes, they work perfectly fine. So something fun to have in your coloring supplies inventory. They are good quality lead. They don't scratch the paper, but they are not for blending. I can assure you that very right now. It's more like, I felt like they were like crayons, but just they were fluorescent colors. That's all. So that's my take on these called Kohinoor dry marker pencils. And thanks for having stopped by. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. And have a nice day. Bye.